Slovakia. The country with mountains so majestic, they inspire you to go beyond your own limits. Rivers so untamed, they let you taste freedom. Caves so unique, they draw you into another world. And spring so healing, you feel the joy of life. Folklore so playful, you start dancing before the chorus hits. Forests so peaceful, even your thoughts can rest. People so welcoming, you feel at home at a table full of delicious food. And nature so beautiful that you will fall in love at first sight. Slovakia.